the baseball team spent $535 on uniforms and $275 in cleats. Let me go and do this. This is a two-step problem. That's number one. We need to find out the total. That's step one. It's a multi-step problem. We've done these. You'll see them in the EOGs. See them everywhere. Emmy, you can help me out with that in 1 second. Let me get to the second step. Each of the 9 players in the team, so each, we're either dividing or multiplying, we're doing one of the two. As I see the word each, key word, each of the 9 players on the team shared the cost equally. So you're taking the total cost and you're splitting it into what kinds of groups? No. They're splitting the cost equally. You're splitting them into equal groups. How much did each player pay? So you have a total amount. You're splitting it up each to 9 people. Are you doing multiplication or are you doing division? Children, you're doing? Division. Thank you, because you're taking the big and splitting it up. Good. I was afraid for 1 second. I thought, but you're smarter than I. So the second step, you take the total and you divide it among the 9 players. There are about 9 players, right, Quentin? On what kind of team? A baseball team, if you were like up here with the game. A baseball team. So the total, what did you get, Emmy, for the total? How did you do that? Because you have step 1 done. Add. What did you add? Yep. 535. Oh, you didn't need that 9 though. Plus the 275. 5 and 5, 10. Carry a 1 to the tens place. 10, 11. Carry another 1 to the hundreds place. 6, 7, 8 hundreds. So the total cost was $810. That's how much they spent. They're splitting it amongst 9 people though. So they're not each paying $810. They're going to take, and I remember I found the total here, so I take the total over here, total, $810 divided by 9. That's all you would have had to have written. I would have been quite happy. I don't expect you to divide 810 by 9 in your head. That's where we were going to use calculators, but we have good math. Are they each going to pay $100 or less? Less, because if they're each paying $100, they would be $900 or more. So they're paying less than yeah, go ahead, Andrew. Got a calculator ready? 810 divided by 9 people. Let me guess, Andrew, it was going to be about $90. There's a trick to it, but we'll talk about that later.